Welcome to All About Home Decor. Today, we're diving into the most stunning and transformative home design trends to elevate your space in 2025. Whether you're dreaming of a full home makeover or just looking for some fresh ideas, these trends will bring style, functionality, and that extra wow factor to any room. So, get ready to be inspired. Earthy and natural tones. 2025 is all about reconnecting with nature, and that starts with color. Earthy tones like terracotta, olive green, and soft browns create a soothing, grounded atmosphere in any space. These natural hues work well as wall colors or in accent pieces, helping your home feel cozy, warm, and effortlessly stylish. Sustainable and eco-friendly materials. Sustainability continues to take center stage, with eco-friendly materials becoming even more accessible. Think recycled wood, organic textiles, and even furniture crafted from reclaimed materials. By choosing sustainable pieces, you not only elevate your home's design but also contribute to a greener planet, a win-win for both style and the environment. Statement lighting. Nothing changes a room quite like the right lighting, and in 2025, lighting is more than just functional, it's a statement. From sculptural pendant lights to artistic floor lamps, lighting fixtures are becoming bold decor pieces in their own right. Opt for fixtures with unique shapes or unexpected textures to bring an instant pop to any room. Multifunctional furniture. With the rise of flexible work-from-home setups and smaller living spaces, multifunctional furniture has become essential. Think ottomans that double as storage, sofas that transform into beds, and desks that fit neatly in a corner. These pieces make the most of every inch, proving that small spaces can still be beautifully functional. Biophilic design. Biophilic design, bringing the outdoors inside, is huge for 2025. This trend includes not only adding more plants but also incorporating natural elements like stone, wood, and water-inspired textures into your decor. A living wall or even a small indoor fountain can bring a peaceful, nature-inspired feel to your home. Curved and organic shapes. In 2025, rigid, angular furniture is making way for softer, more organic shapes. Rounded sofas, oval coffee tables, and archway-inspired mirrors add a flow to the room that's welcoming and visually pleasing. These curves soften the overall look and make your space feel more inviting and relaxing. Bold textures and patterns. If you love a bold look, you're in luck. This year, designers are embracing textures like rattan, velvet, and even textured wallpaper. Pair these textures with eye-catching patterns, like geometric shapes or botanical prints, to add depth and personality to any room. Personalized spaces. One of the most exciting trends for 2025 is personalization. Your home should be a reflection of you, and that means incorporating pieces that have personal meaning or that tell a story. Showcase family heirlooms, unique vintage finds, or travel souvenirs that spark joy and make your space feel uniquely yours. And there you have it. These 2025 home design trends are perfect for adding elegance, comfort, and personal style to your home. Which trend is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more home inspiration.